Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about the slides. So we did the PPT, but we just made one update since there's 7 slides now. I made one about functions, okay, which is on the last slide over here. So let's start from the beginning. I added some new transitions to this too, okay? The first topic I know is data types. The data types that I know are strings, integers, floats, and booleans. I think you already know what that means. The second topic I know is conditional statements. The conditional statements I know are if, elif, and else. You know that too. The third topic I know is operators. The operators I know are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, identity operators, and membership operators. Okay. The fourth topic I have a doubt on is inheritance. The question of inheritance is how to print the area for a rectangle and square. The fifth topic I know is strings. The types of strings that I know are indexing, slicing, reversing a string, string methods. The sixth topic I know is loops. The types of loops are for loops, while loops, break, and continue. You know what that means? Because we did a video on loops before. Then for the seventh topic. The seventh topic I know is functions. The types of functions I know are pre-built, user-built, lambda with argument and with a default argument and with a multiple argument. And you know all of that, what it means. So guys, as you can see, you're wondering why all these images are moving. So I just explored on the PPT PowerPoint presentation, and you can actually do these types of things too. Like an example over here, we can say is, guys, look here. This is the earth, and here's just some numbers over here. And here, this is like a chip or something, but you can see there's 0, 1, so that's basically binary code. And here is an example of a data stock market. It's like this, see, a data stock market. And we have a room filled with all these coding and numbers here. You won't see them because you see it's just little dots. And here, as you guys can see, it's just like stock marketing data, because you can see the lines that are going wiggly and all that stuff. So guys, I really explored on PPT PowerPoint presentation, and it looks actually fun to use, okay guys? And if you don't know how to create a PPT and you want to create one, I already made a video on that. You guys can watch that video on it, okay? On my YouTube channel, okay? So thank you everyone for listening about how to be making the slide on that function, okay? And as I said, if you want to actually make one PPT, you're one by yourself, then watch my video that I made before. You can just watch it on my channel. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video, and I hope you like this video. So thank everyone for listening about my video, and feel free if you have any questions in the comments, you can say any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We need to get at least more than 30K subscribers, so we can say at least 32K subscribers. Okay, guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it. So bye. Subscribe.